Hello everyone, welcome to ArroNotes. In this video, we are going to see how to combine two columns into one column. Example, in your data sheet, if you have first name in one column, last name in another column, if you want a full name in another columns. So, how to use first name column and the last name column to make full name column without retyping your data. In my Excel, I have small data sheet. In column B, I have first name. In column C, I have last name. Now, we will see how to use this first name column and the last name column data to create full name in two different methods. The first method, concatenate method. For that, equal con, just type con, you will get the list. In that, you can see concatenate. Just double click it, then bracket will open. Now show the first name cell, then comma, then inverted comma, space, then inverted comma, then again comma, and now last name cell, that's in the C column, then close the bracket and enter. Now the first name Ravi and the last name Kumar is combined together and full name is formed. Just pull down it until the last data. Now all the 5 rows are converted into full name. Now we will see second method. That method is without concatenate method. Just click equal and show the first name cell, then type and sign, then inverted comma, then space, then inverted comma, then again and sign, then last name cell. So the last name cells and just click enter. Now the first name and the last name is combined and full name is formed. Just pull down it until the last data. All the 5 rows data are converted into full name. That's all. If this video is useful, just click like on this video. If you want more videos in Excel sheet, then just subscribe my channel. Thank you.